So today here at the Ronald McDonald House for the Home for Dinner program, we are cooking up some barbecue cheeseburgers. And it's super rewarding to come down here and cook up for the families who have a lot of other things on their mind. The families spend the vast majority of their day at the hospital. So what we do is we just take one thing off their plate that they don't necessarily have to stress about. Here at the Ronald McDonald House, they're always looking for volunteers year-round. For more information on their Home for Dinner program and the ways that you can help volunteer, you can visit them online, www.rmhcsca.org.